Okay, this is question 1, paper 1 of your mock paper, and the first question is, what is a prime number? Well, a prime number is any number that can only be divided by itself or the number 1. Because 1 could divide into any number. Write down all the prime numbers between 10 and 13. It's going to be 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, and that's it. Okay? Alright, good stuff. So is 23 multiplied by 29 a prime number? And no, it's not, because if it's multiplied, if it's two numbers multiplied together, that obviously it's got more factors than 1 and itself. I think when you multiply together you get 667, so 667 can be divided by itself, it can be divided by 1, it can be divided by 23, and it can be divided by 29. 667 can be divided by, or divided evenly by more than itself and 1. Okay. Express 330 and 3150 as the product of prime numbers. So to do this, you divide step by step by prime numbers. So take 330. The first prime number is 2. You divide that by 2 and you get 165. Divide that by 2 and you don't get an even number, so you move up to the next prime number, which is 3. 165 divided by 3 gives me 55. You can't divide 55 by 3 evenly, so you go to the next prime number, which is 5. And 5 goes into that 11 times, and 11 can only be divided by the prime number 11, which gives 1. So the answer here is 2 by 3 by 5 by 11 is equal to 330. So there it is expressed as a product of prime numbers. So the same thing applies to 3150. Divide by 2 and you get 1575. Can't divide that evenly by 2, so you move to the next prime number, which is 3. And if you divide that by 3, you get 525. That can be divided by 3 again, which gives us 175, which can be divided by 5, which gives us 35. Divide that by 5 and you get 7. 7 can only be divided by 7, so it gives 1. Okay, so your answer here is going to be 2 by 3 squared by 5 squared by 7 is equal to 3150. Alright, so the next one says to find the highest common factor. Well, to do this using prime numbers, if you look, that 2 by 3 by 5 gives us 30. 2 by 3, and you don't include the squared, you take one number from this, and it's 2 by 3, and one number from this, which is 5, so it's 2 by 3 by 5, which is 30. Highest common factor is equal to 30. Lowest common multiple is, you're going to multiply 2 by 3, so 2 by 3, 2 by 3. I know there's 2 3's here, but again, you only take one of them. By 5, again, you only take one of them. Oh, sorry, my mistake. No, it's 2 by 3 by 3 by 5 by 5 by 7 by 11. So basically 2 by 3 by 3 by 5 by 5 by 7 by 11. And the lowest common multiple is equal to 34,650. Okay, and that is question 1.